everybody. In our previous video we did a doll makeover, and after we did the makeover I asked your opinion. I said, what kind of job do you think that this doll should have? And in the comments you guys left great suggestions, and the one that kind of really sparked my interest was a tattoo artist. So before we go into the doll tour, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And so our tattoo shop is just a room in a box. This is a cereal box. I covered it in scrapbooking paper, the brick on the outside, and inside this really cool scrapbooking paper that I got. I printed out some signs off of the computer, and those are actually temporary tattoos, actual decals that I glued onto the wall. I made a cool little sign with marker and a popsicle stick, and you could flip it, so the open and close sign. Here is another actual temporary tattoo, and I used metallic scrapbooking paper to make a mirror. For the faux door and window frame, that's just contact paper, and the floor is a light wood grain contact paper. Covered poster board to create the floor. And so here's the structure of the room. Let's start adding some more pieces. We're going to cut out a piece of craft foam, glue that in to create a table, and we're going to do a little quick bench. Cutting out another piece of craft foam, covering it with felt, and painting the wooden skewers and using pony beads for the legs. I printed out some more tattoo designs and a cool little diploma and glued that on the wall. The diploma, I'm thinking of the little license that you get from the state that you're certified. So there's our little workstation. And from a previous video, I made a salon chair, and it reclines. I used paper clips that you could fold and bend to make the chair recline. So we're going to take the foundation of the chair and make a few changes to update it. I'm going to remove the wobbly armrest and remove the base of the chair that we made from an old roll of tape. But I'm going to keep the cushion part of our reclining chair, and I'm going to use a plastic hanger. I'm going to cut with dog nail clippers. And I'll glue it to the side of the chair, so those are going to be like the legs and the armrest, and it's really sturdy, an extra little piece of that hanger. And then I'll remove the extra part and glue the armrest back on there. That chair is a lot more stable, a lot more sturdy. We're going to make a little tiny little stool for the tattoo artist to work on, just covering a bottle cap and adding a little paper roll, cardboard roll. So now we have some furniture pieces, and we're going to work on the supplies. So I made a little case with cardboard, covered it with paper on the outside, and the inside I attached it with felt. And that's going to be the little case to keep all the supplies. I looked up a picture of a tattoo machine, and I kind of created it with a wooden skewer, a wooden bead, popsicle sticks. I'll add a little paint. We're going to glue a cord to one end, and the other end I'm going to glue it to two pony beads, and then I will glue the beads inside of the case, so that way we won't have to worry about ever losing our tattoo machine. So to create the little bottles of ink, we used a crayon and a little pearl and some lettering from a magazine. It makes it look like a little bottle of ink. I stacked and covered craft foam to make a little stand to keep our bottles of ink. Really quick and easy. And I also made a little quick and easy hand mirror, and all the supplies fit into the supply case. You can close that up. So she can do tattoos on the go. So now that we have our nice little tattoo shop and all the supplies that we need, we're going to actually try to put tattoos on our dowels. These are actual temporary tattoos, and I found some that could fit the scale. We have Jax, our fresh dowel. She's going to be our model. We're going to cut out the little decal and place it in the desired spot. We're going to apply a little bit of water to a towel and press it across the decal. I sped up the tape, so it takes about 30 seconds maybe, not long at all. And when you remove it, the tattoo is in place. It was really cool, so I was super excited when it happened, so I kept doing it to different dowels. And here we are. The little tattoo shop is complete, and it's super cute. I like it a lot. Of course, we couldn't have done it without you. It was you that came up with the suggestions, and I love it when we're interactive, when I can hear your opinions and see what you're working on. So you know the drill. You hit me up on social media. I am on Facebook. I am on Instagram. I am on Twitter. I really would love to see what you're working on. You guys could post pictures and tag me. And also go to my Facebook page. I really appreciate when I see what you guys are working on. It's so inspirational. And that's why I wanted to officially welcome Patty Crafter to the red carpet. She always leaves photos on my Facebook page, and I appreciate it so much. So thanks again. And if you guys want to be welcome to the red carpet, just contact me. Remember, it's more fun to make it. I'll see you soon.